It's easy to look at the news these days and wonder, what can I do? I mean, what can we really do about COVID and climate change and the uncertainty that's happening? How can I make a difference? And what continually comes up is to bring peace, to be in a place of balance, to remain centered and grounded, to be committed to practice. And I do believe that this is one of the greatest gifts we can offer now is peace. Because with peace, we have clarity. We're able to respond skillfully to the needs and the problems of the world. And we can do anything better when we feel peaceful and grounded. So just by establishing this within yourself, that's a gift. By offering it to others, that's another gift. That's why I invite you to join us for beginner teacher training. It's an opportunity to meditate every day for 21 days and see what it's like to create the space of calm for others and how it affects your own sense of well-being and purpose and connection. And just noticing how it creates this ripple effect in the world. We're committed to supporting leaders in meditation. If this is something that calls to you personally, I invite you to join us, and we look forward to being with you.